Guys, so today we're going to be talking about zoning. A client of mine made a $150,000 mistake by not being aware of their zoning restrictions on their property. So here it goes. Guys, that takes me to my first point, which is your current zone matching your building use, your proposed building use? A lot of times our properties are zoned something like this, which is you have a zoning for commercial, residential, multifamily, industrial. Going through a variance process can take a long time. So for example, if you do have a property that is zoned to residential and you'd like to change that, you have to go through variance. Variance may or may not get approved. So it's better to have that information from the beginning. It's better to have commercial property, commercial land use for a commercial building. Now, how you can really get that information is through doing a due diligence report, which we at Max Designers can assist you with. And you can also hold a pre-development meeting, which generally you need conceptual or schematic drawings for the city to review and see what you're proposing, what your proposed use is, and we can assist you with that as well. That takes me to my next point, which is, are there aesthetic or material requirements as per your city or HOA zoning? So why is this important? Because your city, your HOA, or the main developer in the area may have different requirements for your building. For example, you see this building over here with the red canopy, you may not be allowed to use that canopy. So for example, great example is City of Missouri City. In that city, you have to have a certain percentage of brick, certain percentage of stone, certain percentage of stucco. And with that being said, it also has to match their color schemes that they have for their area. How you can get that information is through city website. You can also get that during your feasibility period, so you're not spending money ahead of time. And also, again, when you're doing the due diligence, this information is also provided to you. My last point for this video is, are there any landscaping requirements? Landscaping is an essential part of commercial real estate property development, construction, right? So here are some reasons why you need to know this information. One, landscaping requirements may require additional space, which is going to be taken out from your paving area, your parking area, or even your building area. And also, some landscaping requirements may be so extensive as far as the pricing is concerned, and it may not be feasible for your project to have that type of landscaping because you're just trying to do a simple, let's say, C-store or a simple retail center. So you may not have the best ROI. And last point is, you may have penalties to cut on a tree that is actually not supposed to be cut. Great point. I have a project in Austin that I was bidding for construction. They went through the whole complete set of construction drawings. They were bidding on the project. The project was submitted into the city, and they found out that the tree that is right in the middle of the building cannot be touched, and it's right in the middle of the building. What do? To move that tree is costing them $200,000. That issue could have been easily avoided had they done the updated topo survey, because it would have shown on the topo survey that the tree is there existing. Second, it would have, if they had done a due diligence, it would have shown that removing that tree could cost them X amount of money or it cannot be cut. So therefore they would have built around it. And then also doing that pre-development meeting on your large construction projects is crucial. And to have a company, a design build company who actually focuses on that point is very important. And that concludes today's zoning. Thank you for watching zoning part 1. Stay tuned for zoning part 2 and like and subscribe and keep watching.